Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also import files from a scanner directly into the organizer in Photoshop Elements. To do this, first ensure your scanner is correctly connected and configured to work with your computer. This often involves downloading the most recent scanner driver for your particular type of scanner. After correctly connecting the scanner to your computer, open the Photoshop Elements Organizer window and then select File, Get Photos and Videos from Scanner from the menu bar, or click the Import drop-down button at the left end of the Shortcuts bar and select the From Scanner command to open the Get Photos from Scanner dialog box. Use the Scanner drop-down to select the scanner from which to import the photo. If you see the words None Detected in this drop-down list, then double-check that your scanner is properly connected to your computer and turned on. The default folder into which the scanned photos will be saved appears below in the Save Files In section. To change this location, click the adjacent Browse button to open a Browse for Folder dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to and select the folder into which to save the scanned images. Then click the OK button in the Browse for Folder dialog box to set your newly selected folder destination. Use the Save As drop-down to select which file format to use to save the scanned image. If you select the JPEG choice from this drop-down menu, then use the adjacent slider to set the quality of the image by dragging the slider left to decrease the quality or right to increase the quality. To scan the image and import it into the organizer, click the OK button at the bottom of the Get Photos from Scanner dialog box. At this point, depending on the scanner driver you have installed, you may see another Scanner Dependent dialog box appear where you can specify any additional scanner settings. Follow the instructions shown in any dialog boxes that appear to finish scanning the image and importing it into the organizer window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.